Hey guys, just wanted to take a second to show you this Pro.point slide hammer kit. It's actually a puller kit as well. It's 22 inches long and it's got a 5-pound weight. Let's open it up and have a look inside. So this is a nice little kit from Princess Auto. I've wanted one for a long time. I rarely need it, but when I do, I really need it. So I'm hoping I don't ever need it, but now I have one. It's got tons of accessories to do all sorts of pulling. It's got jaws here for your internal and external pulling, potentially seals and bearings. If you have big seals, it's got the nuts and bolts here to mount to your 3-way puller. It's also got a 2-way jaw puller. All the threaded rods here to do that sort of thing. Came on sale for 80 bucks. I'm pretty pleased with it. I think it'll come in really handy should I ever need to use it. I'm not too sure how good it would be on a long-term regular use. It seems like it'll work pretty good, but again, for me, being a mechanic at home, I think it'll work just fine. So if you're thinking of getting one or you've checked them out, I recommend it. It's a nice little tool. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.